Are your Apple Watch activity rings stuck? In iOS 26 and watchOS 26, some users are experiencing pause bugs where the rings freeze, show 0% progress, or pause mid-workout despite being active. These bugs are often due to sync confusion from multiple data sources, software glitches, or app conflicts. Let's dive into how to fix them. First, ensure workout notifications are enabled. This allows you to manually pause and resume activity rings. On your Apple Watch, go to Settings, then Workout, and make sure Start Workout Reminder and End Workout Reminder are toggled on. On your iPhone, check the Watch app under Notifications and ensure workout notifications are enabled and set to Announce. This helps you have more control over your activity ring progress. Solution 4 focuses on updating your iOS and watchOS to the latest versions, as outdated software can cause tracking inconsistencies in activity rings. First, update your iPhone. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. Next, update your Apple Watch. On the watch, go to Settings, General, Software Update. Alternatively, update via the Watch app on your iPhone. Open the Watch app, go to General, Software Update. These updates often resolve tracking issues by fixing software bugs. If the problem persists, unpairing and repairing your Apple Watch can provide a fresh start. Open the Watch app on your iPhone. Tap My Watch, then tap All Watches at the top. Select your Apple Watch and tap the eye icon. Tap Unpair Apple Watch. If you have a cellular model, choose whether to keep or remove your cellular plan. Follow the on-screen prompts to back up your data. Once unpaired, repair your watch following the on-screen instructions. If a regular restart doesn't work, try a hard reboot for your iPhone. The method varies by model, but typically involves pressing specific button combinations to enter recovery mode. For your Apple Watch, make sure you've already attempted the force restart by pressing and holding the digital crown and side button together. This is a more forceful reset and should be used if other solutions fail. If you're unsure about the hard reboot process or it doesn't resolve the issue, consult Apple support for your specific device model. To recap, we've covered enabling workout notifications, force restarting, removing duplicate data sources, updating software, and unpairing/repairing your Apple Watch. If you're still facing issues, ensure Bluetooth is enabled, Wi-Fi is stable, and that your Apple Watch is properly connected to your iPhone. Regularly updating your devices and managing data sources will help prevent these pause bugs. If all else fails, reach out to Apple support for further assistance.